My name is Peter Boyd, and I'm the Executive Vice President of ReGelTec, where we are transforming the treatment of chronic low back pain. And we're doing that with a permanent hydrogel implant that you can put into the disc using that device on the screen and this needle. And if you can't see the needle from where you are, that's kind of the point. So every year, over 600 million people have an episode of back pain, and it's the leading cause of disability around the world. In the United States alone, we spend over $100 billion a year on direct costs for low back pain. If you have an episode of back pain, for most patients, conservative care will work. Exercise, physical therapy, pain medications, sometimes an injection. But if that doesn't solve your back pain, there's a large gap in the treatment options before you go to surgeries like fusion, total disc replacement, spinal cord stimulators. And quite frankly, they really don't work well. Fusion actually isn't indicated or reimbursed for degenerative disc disease. So we've developed a hydrogel system to fill that gap and help the 6 million plus Americans who would benefit from an injectable solution. I'm happy to report that to date, we've treated 75 patients outside the United States. All of those patients have completed their 1-year follow-up. We have 2-year results on 63, and that data was used to secure CE mark earlier this year and get our FDA pivotal study approved. We talk to patients literally every day when they call our office, and an injectable percutaneous solution is what they're looking for. Of the patients who have been treated with hydrogel, over 95% of them are satisfied or very satisfied with the therapy, which is almost unheard of in back treatments. But probably more importantly for this room is our clinical results. Up here you're seeing ODI, which is a measure of how your pain is impacting your life, and pain scores. And what you can see is that patients experience a rapid and sustained improvement in pain and function with the hydrogel system. Now with patients, most of the patients out to 2 years and 3-year results in our first cohort. For reference, the green line is what the FDA considers the MCID, or minimally clinically important difference. So we're far exceeding what what the standard needs to be. We have an open Series A extension that will fund the company through the interim safety analysis in our US pivotal study. And I'm happy to report that we randomized the second patient yesterday with another 9 in various stages of screening. So if you're interested in helping us transform the treatment of chronic low back pain, please let me know. I'd be happy to speak with you.
Great job. Thank you so much.